Okay. The Sadler Commission recommended which of the following reforms? Okay, the Sadler Commission recommended which of the following reforms? Abolition of intermediate examination, introduction of 12-year school system before university, complete centralization of university administration, replacement of English with vernaculars as the medium of higher education. Okay. Now here, see, this was the time period 1917 to 1919. So there was this commission. It was the Education Commission that is going to be there. Now when this commission was set up by this time period, just correlate the nationalistic movements that happened during this point of time. Okay, so anything that would reduce the educational quality of the India, so automatically that would not be suggested by that commission, right? So anything that would be beneficial, it would be suggested by this commission. So abolition of intermediate examination, if they do that, it would be detrimental to the Indian education. So this is wrong, it would not be suggested. Complete centralization of university administration, if that happens, so the British control over administration, the British control would be there. So again, that is incorrect. Replacement of English with vernaculars as a medium of higher education. No, for the lower classes means class 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for the school level education, vernaculars could be used, but for higher, English was to be used. Okay, so even that would not be suggested. So here the answer is going to be B. Okay, the answer is B. Yes, the answer is B. Introduction of 12-year school system before the university entry. So that is what the Sadler Commission had recommended. Okay, now